Hello everyone, this is a UPSC question on Indian polity. The year is 1993. There are 14 questions come in 1993 from the Indian polity. First is the only instance where the President of India exercised his power of veto related to. Answer is yes, B. The PEPS Appropriations Bill. The Chief Minister of a state in India is not eligible to vote in the presidential election if he is a member of upper house of the state legislature. Option is a C. The abolition of IAS and IBS has been recommended by Raj Manar Commission. Option is a D. Among the four pairs given below, which one consists of correct combination of dignitaries who become vice president after having held diplomatic posts like ambassador and high commissioner? Dr. Zakir Hussain and K. Narayan. Which one of the following statement is correct? Answer is B. The scope of Finance Commission is limited to review of revenue segment of the budget, while the Planning Commissions take on overall review, embracing both capital and revenue acquisition requirement of the state. The Soran Singh Committee is considered among the precedents of directory principle over the fundamental right. Which of the following is a feature common at both Indian Federation and American Federation? Federal Supreme Court to interpret this Constitution. Which of the following is a current list in the Constitution of India? Public health and sanitation? Which of the following statements regarding the office of Speaker is correct? He, if he is intend to resign, the letter of his resignation is to address to the Deputy Speaker. Which one of the following come under the jurisdiction of both High Court and Supreme Court? The fundamental rights. Anti-defamation law was enacted as early in 1979 is West Bengal. Which one of the following is incorrect in respect to parliamentary control over the budget? Parliament has power to increase. Parliament has no power to increase the tax without the President recommendation. No. Incorrect. Parliament has no power to impose a tax without the President. Incorrect. Parliament has power to increase the expenditure in the consolidated fund. Consolidated fund. No. B. Match the first and second. Fundamental right. Second. Parliamentary system. First. Emergencies and rich and D. Canada. The option is C. 1, 2. B. First. C. Fourth. D. 3. Which of the following statements regarding the Constitution are true? 1 and 4. It was not based on adult franchise. It worked through the several committee.